Hello guys, welcome back to video. Yeah, and welcome to the channel of Couch Arts Bro. Couch Arts Bro. So today we are gonna do, as you can see, TCG review. So as you guys know, I'm in India, and most people think Indian cards are actually fake. But first, let me give you a quick brief history of my Pokemon history. So I started collecting Pokemon in what do you say, last Christmas I started, and I stopped collecting Pokemon, not ended, but stopped collecting Pokemon when I was what do you say, yeah, when I was yeah, when I just completed my team, my Pokemon TCG team. But today is Children's Day, or November 14th, like National Children's Day in India, and I got 4 Pokemon packs, 4 Crown Zenith packs as a gift from my local store, local cosmetic store, where I got where it has every fun stuff. So I got those. The reason I like these cards, this pack, Crown Zenith from that store, is because these cards are OP. The last time I opened it, it was 6 months ago, it was actually good. Now I'm again opening it. I'm gonna open it with you guys. But first, I actually got 2 types of packs. This is there are only 2 packs today. Last time I saw it there were 4 types. But I got the Doralodon pack and I don't know this Pokemon. I just got this pack. I just thought different packs has different cards. I know I'm stupid. I sound stupid, but still, this is actually good. But first, I opened 2 of those packs out of 4. 2 are the Doralodon pack and 2 are the other Pokemon packs. I opened 1 of each. So the first one, this pack, there's the other pack of these, and I opened it, and these are the cards. So first there's a Salandit and an Executor, and then the Corfish Hollow. It's actually really good. Executor again, which is also good. Duraludon VMAX. Oh my god, this is actually really good. It's a single strike too. I don't know if this is real. Oricorio. Yeah, it's hard to pronounce, but it's good. It's a fusion strike too. I mean, fusion strike, yeah. And then a Carnivine. Yeah, this is actually already good. It's a basic type, but still it looks good. It's a, what is it, uncommon card. Yeah, it's a Zorak VMAX. Oh yeah. Hisuian. Yeah. Hisuian Zorak VMAX. V-Star. Hisuian Zorak V-Star. And then a basic enormous. And then, for those who don't know, in India, it's actually ultimately rare to find energy cards, and I found 1 of those. So this actually looks good. I don't really know if these cards are actually real or not, I don't know if they're real or fake. So let me know in the comment section if they're actually real or not. And first of all, give me some inspirations to create my new icon. It's still my old one. So going to the, the Dorodon pack, we have first a Zamazenta V. Opening, we have Zamazenta V. It's good. And an Executor again. Enormous. Hisuian Zorak V-Star again. Actually, if you're near my house and you want a giveaway of this, because I have 2 of those, you can, the top comment will get it. Means I'm just gonna sign this and send it in as an image in to your Discord. Comment your Discord ID, and which is the top comment will get it. Do a comment, and then under that give your Discord ID. For that Discord ID, I'm gonna send an image of this. I don't know the address, and I don't want to get all the address and all. It's really bad. So I'm just gonna give away this image. But I'm gonna sign this. Really. I'm gonna sign this. Hisuian Samurott. But first, And I'm not a big YouTuber, but still I want to sign this to give like one of my subscribers. So Absol, and then what do you say? Lunaton, yeah, Lunaton, yeah. It's really hard. I have so many of those. It's a Sol Rock, yeah, Sol Rock. It's a fighting type. That's actually good. It's a full art too. Electric. Wait, that's electric, and this is electric. So that's actually good. This is actually really good. And then the god of all, Mewtwo V-Star, the best of all. This was the best pack I opened in these, like, what do you say, whole year. Like from last Christmas, this was the best card I got. And I don't think it's real. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Now we're gonna actually open these two packs. I hope you wish me all the best so that I can, because I'm thinking of getting some real OP cards from these two, because as you can see, these cards, the other cards I shown actually came really good. So I'm actually thinking that I'm gonna get the good cards. Still, I just hope I'm gonna get good ones. Okay, now I'm gonna start. So this is I'm starting with this random Pokemon, because the Duraludon pack looks too OP, so I'm just gonna do it in last. So this is gonna be done first. So I'm gonna do the white people style of opening Pokemon cards. Yeah, I'm not racist, but still, this is the white style. I don't know why, but Americans do it like this. They, for some reason, put a hole over here and then do it like this. It's actually good. This actually feels really quick. So opening up, we have Executor, but again I'm doing the American style, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh look, this thing is like upside down. We're gonna quickly fix that in like later, but first I don't want to look at that card. Okay, let's turn it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's actually really good. Galarian Mr. Mime. Galarian Mr. Mime. I forgot the name. It's Mime. Mr. Mime. This is actually really good. And then we got Zamazenta V. What are the chances of getting another Zamazenta V? The same pack. Pangoro. And by the way, guys, come on, for the same person who got the top comment will get the giveaway of this also, like the image giveaway. Executor again. Wait, the other one was hollow. Yeah, didn't notice that. Oh my god, the V Max. Oh my god, a steal. At last I got a steal because most of my team was actually steel. The reverse one, I'm gonna overturn that. Oh, well, Corona. That's actually good. Corona. Hoopa. Okay, that's Clops. Well, all of these are interesting, but not as interesting as what I expected. But still, they are actually good. They're kind of good. Means like, they're kind of good. Okay, now because, well, just a second, I by mistake mixed the cards. Yeah. Now we are ready to open this pack, the OP pack. Again, open it in the American style. What do you say? Oh my god, this is too hard. I gotta put a peek into this. And then, oh sheesh, this is actually really hard. Now we open that. I actually open it in the Indian style for some reason. But still, this is American. Oh my god, this looks like a bulk. I'm not going to look at it because these cards are too OP. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that down. Nothing wrong till now. Okay. I'm not so bad because, well, it's ultra rare. But still, it looks good. It is made. Lunatone, yeah. It's good. Zarud, this is a new Pokemon. I never got this. This is the new one. It's going to my list. Oh, Pangoro. I got another one in the other one actually. But that was not hollow. This is hollow. This is also ultra rare. Oh my, a sincere V star. This is actually good. This is actually good. And another Mr. Mime and a Hoopa. Oh, what are the chances of getting another Zoroark V star? A Zacian V star and a Corfish. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like buy what to say. Yeah, Crown Zenith packs. Yeah, because it's like really good. So comment down below what should I do next, because I'm not sure what to do actually. Sure, and if this video hits like 1000 likes, I'm gonna do a what do you say? Not a face reveal because I already did it. I'm gonna do a showcase of all the Pokemon cards because well you can see these Pokemon cards are too OP, which might actually interest you to see all of my Pokemon cards. So not like other YouTubers, but I'm gonna actually do all of them. All of them, like really interesting. It's actually really interesting. I'm eager to show you guys. Which I'm gonna yeah, sorry about that. I'm gonna show you my team also actually. Because my team looks really good. It's actually really good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and 1000 likes for a showcase, and don't forget to comment this on this video, and the top comment gets the giveaways I told like earlier. So and don't forget to subscribe because I want to hit like what do you say 60 subscribers by February 14th 2024, which is I don't know why I put the target, but that's just a random date, but still I want 60 subscribers by then because well that's an achievement for me. Yeah, but try 100 by this new year, and until next video, which is gonna be this weekend I guess, and until then bye.